Good morning, everybody. Welcome to So You Think You Can Plant. We are doing yet another latte art video. It's actually our usual morning routine when we have the time. So let's get started. As you can tell by now that my partner is actually the barista in the house. I just enjoy the coffee. So what we'll be drinking today is the Espresso Risotto, and the other one is the Cosi. So what she's doing is shaking the pots, because that will loosen the grounds a little bit and ensure that the flavor is uniform throughout. So once she has popped in the pots, she will proceed to pour the milk. So same as yesterday, she will pour to the second mug using our deluxe Meiji milk. This deluxe Meiji milk can be bought at most of your grocery stores. We get ours from Giant, and I think it's always a 2 for something kind of price. So usually we follow the marking, because if not, as you can see yesterday, when you're doing the frothing, it's almost as if the milk is going to spill out. So if you pour too much, it's going to be a problem. So again, we'll use the flat white setting. It will remember our original milk frothing preferences. So some people don't really like the fact that you can only do one thing at a time, like do coffee first, then do milk. You can't do both simultaneously with this machine. So yesterday we realized after watching our video that she missed the timing to basically aerate the milk. That's why it didn't turn out so pretty. So today she'll try again. But every day is just a learning process. Okay, so now that she has injected enough air, she's trying to get the vortex going. So with a lot of milk, it's a bit difficult. You can see it's hard to get the swirling going on. Yeah, the foam looks good today. Expert opinion. So it's supposed to look like paint. The surface is supposed to look like silky paint. So once again, we are separating out the milk so that it's even for both portions. So if you don't do that, you might end up with like a lighter base for the next cup. So setting the base. See, you can see the milk looking very strong today. And then going slowly with her heart. Nice! It does look a bit like a brain though. Okay, let's go on to the next one. So usually she does her cup first because I prefer my coffee hotter. I'm fussy like that.
The flat white, I haven't changed to theirs. She have used Espresso.
So she forgot to change the setting. So the machine would actually proceed to foam milk later, but it's okay, you can easily just exit. Not a big issue. Again, setting the base. My coffee is stronger, so the pattern looks more obvious. So there's a daring pour, and whoop, now we get a big fat taugeh. Okay. Let's take a closer look at these two cups. Wow, so pretty today. So this is what I think they call a monk's head. Yes, but this one maybe looks more, I think maybe it's not safe to say on camera, but okay. So thanks for enjoying our latte art today, and we'll proceed to drinking our latte now. And usually we'll do this while admiring our plants. And I realized I did tell you guys that I will show you our plants, but I forgot to do that, so that will be the next video then. If you like our video, please like and then subscribe to our channel so you think you can plant. We are going to clean our Creatista now. Thanks everyone, bye.